In this video, I'll show you how to change the email address on your Bybit account. First, open the Bybit app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top corner to open Account and Security or Settings. Then look for Email under the Security or Login section. Next, tap your current email. Choose Change Email or Modify. Then Bybit will ask you to verify that it's really you. Usually this means entering a code sent to your current email, plus your 2FA code from Google Authenticator or SMS if you have it turned on. After you pass this security check, you'll see a screen to enter your new email address. Type the new email carefully, confirm it if asked, then tap Send Code. Bybit will send a verification code to your new email. Open your inbox, copy the code, go back to the app, and paste it in. Once the code is accepted, your login email is updated, and from now on you'll sign in with the new email address. Your account, balances, and settings stay the same. Only the contact email has changed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.